Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related tech. If you are wondering how you can make Pinterest work for affiliate marketing, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing some practical step-by-step guides to drive clicks and promote affiliate links effectively through your Pinterest account. So let's jump right into it. Pinterest, as a very brief introduction, is not just a search engine, it's a visual search engine. So users come here ready to explore, shop, and discover new ideas. This intent makes Pinterest an excellent platform for sharing affiliate links and driving traffic towards your recommended products. In fact, studies show about 85% of users on Pinterest have purchased a product or something based on what they've seen there. So, this makes it an incredible opportunity to showcase products and services that you're affiliated with and that you would recommend to your viewers. So, the first step to do this is to switch onto your Pinterest business account. And if you have not created a business account yet, you can go ahead to Pinterest.com website. And then you would see on the right top side of your screen a business option. By selecting business, you are further guided to a web page that allows you to sign up, and once you click sign up, you're provided with a chance to input the email address you want to associate it with and a password. And by further clicking on create account, you will be set up with your business account. Since we already have a business account that we have set up for this example, we're going to proceed with that account. All right, once you have your business Pinterest account opened up, now it's time to actually look for the product that you're going to be promoting with affiliate marketing. So, next, you can proceed to the product website you would like to promote and make sure it's something that you know about and that actually links with your post. That's very essential. Once you've spotted your product, you can proceed to click on promote link, and that would be the link that you're going to use later on in this process. Afterwards, this it's simply a matter of creating a product post that is going to be posted up into your Pinterest account, and you can use Canva or else you can use Photoshop as well. In order to make it fit for your Pinterest board, you would have to search for a Pinterest template up in the search bar. For instance, if you're using Canva, and once you have that opened up, you can select from the options that Pinterest has already as templates. Since we had chosen a digital nomad book, we can simply select a template that's going to be presentable and we can edit it as per our liking. It is best to add some details of your product on your Pinterest post by selecting the product itself and accessing the details. By doing so, you would be able to provide detailed information for your viewers. All right, following this, once your post is edited and ready to go, you can select the share icon on the right top side of your screen. And by doing so, you would be able to download your post in the appropriate format. Afterwards, this you can hop onto your Pinterest business account. And here you would find a Pinterest icon on the left top side of your screen. And by selecting that, you can access the option to create a new pin. And after you select Create New Pin, you're provided with a new dashboard from where you can upload the image and also provide details about that post and attach the link for the promotional purposes. On this page, you would select on the open space for the image and you would be able to access the image that you've been working on. And after that, you can provide the name for your post and also the appropriate description right underneath that. Here comes the very important step by which you're going to attach a link for your product. By using websites like Linktree, you're able to add the promo link onto your centralized account and use that Linktree code or URL for your promotional purposes. To do so, you simply select on add and you can paste the link from the promo link of your product's website and you can proceed to add it onto your list. As you can see, the digital nomad book link has already been added onto this account's link. I can simply proceed to copy the Linktree's account URL and proceed to paste it onto the post. Afterwards, you can specify the board that you want this post to be in and also specify the tags. And once you're done, you can select publish, and that's it. Your post has been published and it's open for the public view, and it also includes the link for your promotional purposes. And that's pretty much it when it comes to using Pinterest for affiliate marketing and how you can navigate through the process. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.